Marlene Monfort, born and raised in Bacolod City, is one of the many locals who has turned a passion for food into a business that's been in demand not just in Negros, but in Manila as well.
This is my favorite part of the cake, is when I decorate.
What sets her apart is her preference as pâtissière to include heritage ingredients in her creations.
We're going to do a chiffon cake because I'm using two ingredients from Negros, the iconic Muscovado and espresso. When you say those two ingredients, you'll right away know that halina siya sa Negros. Muscovado is the least processed sugar. Na deeper ang flavor sa Muscovado, more robust.
Marlene uses local coffee from the foothills of Mount KANLAON to add another Negros distinction and to enhance the flavor of the cake.
People ask, what is the best coffee to drink? The one you like, the one that you're used to. In my case, I wanted it to come out in the cake when you bite it.
Marlene learned her way around the kitchen when she was just a little girl. Her mother, being one of the few businesswomen in the city at the time, was often busy with work. To vie for her mother's time and attention, Marlene asked her if she could spend time baking with her on weekends. Not knowing how to cook nor bake, her mother got Marlene a mixer and the two would eventually bond over baking cakes.
I don't know if you knew who Reming was. She was hired by my mom when we had birthday parties. One year, she made me a castle cake. So I was this high and she was working on the castle cake. And I was thinking to myself, look, like, I think I can do this. After college, I saw this ad in the newspaper, how to become master cake decorator. I go, I want to be that. I want to be a master cake decorator. So I learned how to bake there and then how to decorate. And then I started baking for families, many families. In 2010, my dad passed away and then I moved back here to be with my mom. And right away, I started this kitchen. So we did restaurants privately.
During the pandemic, she got stranded in Manila and decided to continue her business there instead. And thus, Marlene Monfort Pastry was born.
When we were looking for a name, everything was taken. My accountant said, Mom, why don't you just use your name? So it's called Marlene Monfort Pastries.
The island of Negros has always had a vibrant and diverse culture. And its cuisine and delicacies are among the most important reasons why that is. For Marlene Monfort, utilizing ingredients that are part of Negros' rich heritage serves as an homage to the island's culinary passions that span generations. The famed Muscovado, often called the artisanal sugar, and Marlene's personal preference for her cakes are synonymous with the history of Negros that is closely intertwined with sugar. Her cakes serve as a platform to showcase the heritage of sugar in Negros. Independence and passion, family and generations, good food and traditions, all served in a sweet slice of cake.